Hello, Destile, everyone. So today here I'm teaching chatik plus can. And chatik means verb. So verb plus can. So verb plus can makes the person, okay, doer. So more detail I will explain with the example. So first one here, 写动. So 写动 means sing a song, right? Plus can, 写动 can. So it's like a singer, the person who is a singer. Okay, so for example, 空写动 can 人. He or she is singer. And then another example, kalakso. So kalakso means make a food or cook. Plus can makes the kalakso can. So that means shave. The person who is making food. So that means it's a shave, right? For example, 다시 ngatu kalakso can re. Dashi is our chef or cook. Okay. And then another example, jemu de plus can. Okay. And then it's a become jemu de can. So that means player. So dolma jemu de can re. So dolma is player. So verb plus can makes the person. Okay. Okay. Thank you and then see you in next video.